Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening the image and preparing layers so changes are non-destructive. First, unlock or duplicate the background layer. This preserves the original. Then add a solid color fill layer on top. This will become your new background. Once done, set a temporary color that contrasts the subject to make masking easier. Make sure the fill layer sits beneath any subject cutout layers, and keep the Properties panel visible so you can swap colors quickly as you refine selections. Now isolate the subject so the new background only shows where you want it. Use Select Subject for a fast start, then enter Select and Mask to refine edges, switch to Overlay View to inspect hair and fine details. Apply a small feather and shift edge adjustments to avoid halos. This balances softness versus precision. Output to a layer mask, and then paint the mask with black or white on a soft brush to manually correct any misses. After that, toggle the fill layer to evaluate the result. To finish, pick the exact background color or apply a gradient to add depth. Simple changes can dramatically improve realism. Make sure to match subject tones by adding clipped curves or levels adjustments so light and color feel consistent. If you see halos, try contracting the mask by a pixel or two, or use Select and Masks decontaminate colors at a low amount. Make a duplicate backup first. If edges still look off, paint soft transitions on a low opacity brush until the composite reads natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.